morning, good day creators. How you guys doing today? So as you can see, we have a whole bunch of wonderful stuff here. Everything you probably already have in your house, in your cabinets, just waiting to be used. Today we are going to be doing modeling paste, or what some people call texture paste. This is great for a whole bunch of different things, for terrain, for scrapbooking. Basically, you'll see what it looks like, and it's just wonderful. And you can make it with a whole bunch of different other ingredients to switch out for the corn starch. You can also use baby powder, any type of talcum. Baking soda works great. Any type of paint that you have lying around also works. As you can see, I do have my blue dropper there because I'm using the same paint as I did for another project that this is going with. So I kind of wanted to switch up the colors. So that's going to be really weird to see kind of getting those mixed up. And we have our wonderful everyday Elmer's all glue. And we have salt. You just need your salt. This actually helps with molding, and this is actually going to be used right away, so I could have skipped this, but I just like to be careful. So as you can see, I have everything mapped out here. So we have 1 cup of your cornstarch or baking soda, baby powder, we have sand. You can also make it with sand or grout. I mean, it is just great. You just watch. It's a wonderful thing. We have a 1/2 cup of the all glue. We have 1/4 cup of the paint and 1 tablespoon of the salt. And if you are going to keep this for a long period of time, just go ahead and an everyday container. We also have some mixing utensils, and I'm just going to go ahead and get this started. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. So as you can see, we are done. It's a beautiful, I mean, look how that just gloops off. There is a lot of air bubbles, so you will get that. I let this sit for a little bit. As you can see, it kind of turned a little green. I'm not a fan of green, but that's okay, right? But you can make this as thick as you like. Like I said, it's all up to you, how you would like to use it. Honestly, I have no stencils in the house. I never used stencils, so I really can't say how this will work with a regular stencil. I'm just going to go ahead and use this, as you can see through my fingers, I hope. We have a little opening there. But I wanted to kind of show you how this would work with stencils. You know, I've never actually used a stencil either. I don't know. I guess I'm just out of times, huh? Alright, so then just go ahead and make sure you got all of that, and then pull up. I'll show that to you in a second once we But look how nice that covers it. That's a black marker, and that actually covered it pretty well. And then if you want to use this as like with terrain or anything, before you flock, you can actually use this with, see, I didn't mix it very well, but that's okay because, well, it's mine, right? If you do come across that, you can just always pull them out or keep them in, depending on what you would like. But if you notice, it does go on pretty smooth if you mix it right. So let's go ahead and try to get a clean swipe. But think about this, put sand in this, give it a little bit more roughness. And once again, see, easy to remove. Even that out. Come on. And see, and also the fun part is, look how that takes that. You know, make some, that, you guys know what you're doing. But here you go, nice, easy, really fast to make, and you get a lot out of it. Everything that I've read for this is no more than 2 weeks. So we will see. And I'll try to keep you guys updated on my Facebook for Cat Smiles Creations, and sometimes on my Twitter at CatSmilesCA. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you have some fun. If you do make something, definitely share. I would love to see what you guys come up with. I mean, I'm going to have so much fun.
And welcome back, guys. I know I'm a little bit louder right now. It's just because I am behind the camera. But I did want to show you the texture paste and how it turned out. As you can see here, it turned out pretty well. It's not flaking off or anything. Here we have more of the lines that I made. Turned out really well. They lasted I like it. I actually like how it turned out. And that was just with me, you know, just putting down the edge of the card, and that actually turned out really nice. As you can see here, it did give a lot of texture, but that was where I didn't mix it very well. Learning time. I'm learning. It did crack, but do remember I put this basically almost on, well, I did put this on plain paper. So you will get the cracking at least a little bit. This was air dried. I did not use anything other than time to dry this. But I did want to give you guys a little update on how that does work. This is the card. Let's see if I can see it. There we go. That is the card. And if you can see or not see right there, it did get covered up because I did not wash this because I wanted to see how it would actually be affected. Let's see if I can actually do anything about this. As you can see in the holes here, go ahead and pull it back out and take my nail. Ooh, wow, that was not lovely. Well, that was my nail going through it, and as you can see, it still didn't do much. So still, I mean, it's really nice. So let's go ahead and try to, well, the card just bent, but there's no other cracking other than that card part right there. So that's lovely. Very nice texture paste. Like I said, it's very smooth. This did crack a little bit, but I am really happy about how it turned out. So, I just wanted to give you guys an update on how this looks, and I will see you guys later. And remember, always, happy crafting. Bye, guys.